everyone. Welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Monday, March the 25th, 2019. Well, let's go ahead and jump right in and see how these markets ended up for today. We're going to go ahead and start out with the spiders and take a look, and we did have that gap down to open, and you can see here we had some volatility throughout the day, just a lot of volatility. We had 1.32 relative volume on the spiders. You can see it here, so about a third over average volume. Guess the good news is that we closed off of the lows. Okay, we have kind of a doji candle here, so a little bit of indecision. Traders were taking this market both ways, and we kind of ended up right in the middle. Let's see what tomorrow brings for that. The diamonds, if we take a real good look here, if we look real close, we actually closed just above where we closed Friday. So, same thing. We had that doji candle. We bounced off the, moving average down here. So, closed off of lows. We had 1.49, so about 50% over average volume. You can see here the volatility throughout the day, so it's a crazy day, but ended with that doji candle. So let's go ahead and see what tomorrow is going to bring. We just never know what's going to happen or what kind of ride we're going to get throughout the day. So now we take a look at the Qs. We had that same gap down, had that craziness throughout the day, lots of wicks, lots of up, lots of down. We had 1.62, so the Qs were the most active of the three indices we follow. You can see here on the graph, you can see the volume chart there. Ended up with that doji candle. So once again, the good news is we didn't close at those lows. We closed, well above halfway up through that candle. So it's going to be an interesting week, I'm sure, as they all are. So with that, let's go ahead and move on to Holly and see how Holly Grail did. 8 trades for Holly Grail. In the risk off mode, we lost 80 cents, and the risk on, we lost $1.18. Now, with this market going up and down, you'll notice we had no shorts to choose from there, only longs there. Now, we'll go ahead and look, see if there's any trades that made sense. We had TAL, which was a long trade, Sunrise Mover. She got in that, and she got out for a timed exit, made 39 cents. And interestingly enough, had you held it till the end of the day, you would have made 39 cents as well. And if we take a look here at all the stop hits she had, so got stopped out of quite a few of them, and that was the best trade for risk on and risk off. Now moving over to Holly 2.0, we had 4 trades, lost 63 cents, and lost 50 cents on the risk on. And a quick scan shows here there's nothing worth talking about that was a profitable trade there. Now let's go ahead and move these charts up a little bit so we can take a quick look at Holly Neo. And you see here 10 trades for Holly Neo for a loss of 76 cents. Risk on, loss of 22 cents. But I see a nice trade sitting here. AYX got out of it actually for a profit save, and still made $1.13, if you can believe that. This was the straight out of comp plan. So that's a new strategy I haven't seen yet, so it might have just come out today, but $1.13, and she got out for a profit save. Had you stayed in it till the end of the day, $2.48. So very, very nice trade there. Let's go ahead and bring in our Excel spreadsheet, see how we looked for the day. 22 trades, not a very good start to the week for Holly. A loss of $2.19 on the risk off mode, and a loss of $1.90 on the risk on mode.